mics on, okay? So, everyone, I'm gonna try to help you solve the origin of all the maps. Skeld, Polis, and Mira HQ. So, what I think came first is Mira HQ. So let's start from there. You're probably wondering, why Mira HQ? HQ stands for headquarters, which all of you know, probably. So, I guess Mira HQ is like NASA's space station thing or whatever. And if you look over here, the atmosphere in the Polis is purplish or purple pinkish. And look up here. The sky is like bluish blackish, unlike the Polis. So this is why Mira HQ started first. And also, it's kind of way bigger than the Skeld. And how else would there be a greenhouse? Any proof? How would they get their water supply? That's why Mira HQ is the one that started it. And now, look in an office, and also, here's a little leak. Yeah, these game developers made Henry Stickmin. Now, I'm gonna go and find the reactor. Okay, here we are in the reactor. If you look here, it looks like that there's a giant magnetic ball of energy. And we already mastered everything on Earth. So this is we probably got the materials from our planet. I'm not gonna wait for this to load. So then, now you know. Anyway, I'm the one moving all around. Now we're gonna move on to the second story, the Skeld. So, all of the crewmates aborted the airship, aborted the spaceship, and obviously this isn't the same map of Mira HQ. Mira HQ is different. And we're in space now, traveling in the Skeld. Now, if you look over here, there's a weapons to destroy the asteroids. And also an O2 filter to keep air. And if you look closely, there's plants inside. Only the most eagle-eyed would see it. In navigation, why else would you need the navigation? Never saw that in Mira HQ, did you? So, that would mean we're in, this is second, space. And now, time for the third, communications. Why else would there be communications? To connect with Earth And also, there's a radio and note. And also that weird Wi-Fi signal. And then when they found out that there was an imposter in Mira HQ, they retreated to the ship and made this keycard scanner the crewmates had to scan to see if they were the imposter or not. And then the imposter killed someone else, and now we're going to the Polis, where everything wraps up. So, the crewmates managed to make a setup at the Polis, somewhere where they could be safe, and they're still adjusting. They even made a pit of lava to kick the imposter off in. And then, when they find out that the imposter made holes, the imposter probably covered snowmen under them so nobody would see it. That's why the snowmen are here. And then the crewmates found them. And also, if we look here, there's some broken glass, a metabase scanner just in case all crewmates would scan and the imposter wouldn't. And also, there's a telescope, which I'm going to be using now. And also, the telescope is actually a big leak, which means when we were in the Skeld, we were in space. So this is obviously last. And we can probably even see a mini projection of a spacecraft coming. But if the spacecraft number comes, that means all the crewmates have died. And if you come in the bathroom, which is our last exhibit, they broke the toilet, and then they made a hole. This probably looks like a fight happened in here. So now you know the origins. Well, a theory of the origins. And don't forget, I'm stealing MatPat's thing. And this is a theory. A pro theory. Thanks for watching. And I'm stealing MatPat's thing. Don't get mad at me.